Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Recipe of Code. Today we are going to solve the problem increasing array. So you are given an array of n integers. Now you want to modify the array so that it is increasing. That is, every element is at least as large as the previous element. So suppose you are encountering an element ai, in which ai is less than a of I minus 1, then we have to make ai should be equals to or greater than ai minus 1, and in each step you can increase ai by 1. Okay, so now it is telling that minimum number of moves required, so that we have to make the array increasing. So this is simply implementation based. So we are checking at every step if ai should be greater than equals to a of I minus 1. If this is the case, then we can simply continue. Otherwise, we can just take the difference between ai and ai minus 1. So ai minus 1 minus ai. So we can take the difference, and this is the number of moves that we will require it to make ai equals to ai minus 1. So now let's do the implementation of this code. So now let's see the constants. So constants n is 2 into 10 raised to power 5, and constants of xi is equals to 10 raised to power 9. So we are given n, so take the input n. Now let's take vector of long and a n plus 1. Okay, so let's take answer. So in this answer we will take some of the moves that we required to make all the ai greater than equals to ai minus 1. So we are initializing everything with 0. So we start with 1, n equals to n, and I plus plus. Now at every step we are checking if ai is less than a of I minus 1, then we can simply take answer plus is equal to ai minus 1 minus ai. Okay, and we can simply replace ai with a of I minus 1. Otherwise we don't need to do anything. If ai is smaller than a of I minus 1, then we must add the difference to the answer and initialize the value of ai to a of I minus 1. So these two elements will become equal now, and we can continue further. Now we can just simply print our answer. Okay, now let's see. This must be running on sample test case. So this is printing 0 because I think we have made some error. If ai, okay, so take the input. We have not taken input, so first do cin of ai. Okay, now see. Okay, so it is giving 5. Now let's try to submit. Okay, so it's getting submitted. So it was simply implementation based question. Thank you.